All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So you clicked on this video because you want to know how to make six figures as an electrician, $100,000. So the easiest way to make $100,000, well, first you're gonna have to be a journeyman electrician, unless you're getting some ridiculous amount of money as an apprentice, or you're just working tons of overtime. So, anyways, this is pretty much going to be journeyman rate scales, and I'm giving you some options here how to make $100,000. So I got my wage on there, I got non-union wages, and then I have some other non-union scales here, which is common in my area. So anywhere from like $36.50 an hour to $40 an hour, $45 an hour, and then you got 50 plus an hour. So really depends on the area that you work. You might be limited to how much money you can make per year depending on where you live. I know some places pay you $25 an hour, but in the bigger cities like Seattle, Portland, San Francisco, you can make anywhere up to like $68 an hour or more, and that's without overtime and without benefits. So this is just base scale, not including overtime or any extra benefits on top of that. Some of the benefits you can get over $25 an hour in benefits. So this is just going to be what your paycheck is, nothing else. So anyways, I'm going to show you what you get per hour, and then also the overtime hours that you'll need to work to make $100,000. So let me go ahead and show you that. I'm just going to hold it up to my computer screen. Nothing fancy here, no screen recording. So anyways, it's going to be super simple. It's going to be super fast. Let's just get straight to it, and I'll show you how to do that right now. All right, guys, so we got right here everything you need to know. So this is how much money you make per hour, how many hours you work. This is 2080 is just 40 hours a week times 52 weeks. So that's your full-time yearly hours worked. So those are, leaving all those the same. This is how much money you make if you work for the union that I work at, $50.35 an hour. At a full year of 40 hours a week, you're already going to be making $100,000. If you're full-time. Not really full-time at the moment, so I probably won't be hitting that this year. Maybe one of these years I'll hit 100,000, but we'll see. This is what I was making non-union, $36.50. Pretty low, not gonna lie. So I was making around $76,000 a year non-union, and that leaves $24,000 to be made to make $100,000. I just did 100,000 minus 75,920. That leaves you 2480. So the amount of hours you need to work at overtime at $54.75 an hour is 439 hours to make $100,000 at $36.50 an hour. If you're making $40 an hour, you're getting yearly $83,200, which means you need to make 16,800 more to make 100,000. At $60 an hour, you need to work 280 hours to make 100,000. If you get $45 an hour, same thing. You're going to get around 93,600 a year, which leaves 6,400 on the table to get to 100,000. So that means at $67 an hour with 50 cents, you need to work 94 hours, about 95 hours to make 100,000. So super simple, easy way to understand how to make $100,000. Basically just goes on how much money you make per hour and how many hours you work. And if you don't make 100,000 off of that, then you're gonna have to pull in some overtime, and that amount of overtime you need to make 100,000 depends on how much money you make off the base, and how much you work during the year, if you get your full-time hours or not. So hopefully this makes it super straightforward. There it is. So work for a good union, work for a good city, and make good money. Yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I would appreciate it. It would help the channel grow. We'll see you guys back in the next video. Giveaway at 9,000, which is coming up here sometime this week, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Check the description down below if I didn't already mention that for anything else. Thanks, guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.